Have you ever wondered which functions are available in Excel 365 to help you perform calculations more efficiently? In Excel, there is a wide range of built-in functions designed to speed up your work without requiring too much manual effort. In this video, we will go over some of the most commonly used basic functions in Excel. These include arithmetic functions for quick calculations, logical comparison functions, and a few additional simple tools that are extremely useful for daily tasks. We will not explore advanced or complex formulas, but instead focus on basic and essential functions that can help any user save time and work more effectively. These functions are built into Excel and are ready to use without the need for additional configuration. By learning these functions, you can automate repetitive tasks, reduce calculation errors, and gain more confidence working with spreadsheets. Excel functions are one of the key features that make spreadsheet software powerful and efficient. Mastering these basic Excel functions is a crucial step toward using Excel efficiently in both professional and personal tasks. Once you understand how they work, you will be able to complete your calculations faster and more accurately.